What's up, everybody? This is Phil from MDC, and today is going to be a little bit different. I do have 3 Hot Wheels cases here. Okay, now there are 4 different types of Hot Wheels cases already out. Well, not that they're different types, they're all Hot Wheels cases, but they came with exclusive cars. Okay, now this one here has the 83 Chevy Silverado. And I do have another one here that has the Gasser Bel Air 55. And behind that, we do have the Mercedes-Benz 190E, the brand new case for this year. Now, in between the Gasser and the Silverado, we did have another case. Now, sorry, I don't have a closed one that that I can't open, but it did come with the exclusive Datsun 510. All right, so we're gonna go through these exclusive cars, and we're gonna open up this brand new Mercedes 190E. All right, so without further ado, guys, I say we get this bad boy open and take a close look at the cars. All right, we'll go in order as how they came out. All right, so let's get cracking. So the first case that was released from Hot Wheels gave us this beautiful 83 Chevrolet Silverado. Now this gorgeous Silverado is in a beautiful metallic blue paint, white stripes, Hot Wheels written on the side, Real Rider tires with red line, and it is a premium car, so it has a metal base and full-blown rubber tires. So this was the first car that came out in the case, and this was released for the 50th anniversary, as you can see there. Then, the second release came with this 510 Datsun. Okay, and this two-tone black and yellow. With the yellow stripe, obviously a premium car again. It's an exclusive, metal base, rubber tires. And this one really didn't come with much else. It's just pretty simple, this Datsun. You got all the decals where you need it, which is really cool. And it's funny that it doesn't have any Hot Wheels logo, okay? And you know, I'm looking at the Mercedes, and I believe that this is the only car that came in the case that does not have a Hot Wheels logo on it. All right? The next one, as you can see, was this 55 Bel Air Gasser, which was last year. Okay, this one here, we do have the logo. Again, premium car, metal base, metal body, engine detail. Very nicely done. And it does have that Hot Wheels logo. All right. Metal body, metal base. Just fantastic. I mean, these cases, you have to buy a case just for these cars, guys. You got to buy at least one case. Now, we've all seen these 3 cars, obviously. Let's crack open this case right here and check out this brand new Mercedes 190E. All right, let's get this guy open. I'm going to take it down, guys, because opening up there is a bit hard. Now, these cars are pretty hard to get out of these cases. Hot Wheels puts them in really well. So bear with me, guys, as I struggle to pull this bad boy out. Okay, it's really in there pretty tight, guys. Give me a minute. And there we go. Up she comes. Now, for all you guys that are not familiar with the Hot Wheels case, let me get these corners off. Instructions, comes with instructions. And it also is supposed to come right. So as you can see, we do get two stands. Let me move this out of the way, guys. Already seen it. So you do have a stand and a stand. So you don't literally have to clip it on the wall. You can just pop them in here on the bottom. There you go. And there the case goes. Alright, let me move the camera, guys. Bring her up. Sorry about that. There I am. You guys don't need to look at me. Let's open this up. Okay, there's the case. Now some of the cases are a little bit different. Some of them have a white track here in the middle. Okay. Some of them are clear and some of them are dark. Alright. Now what we're interested in, obviously, is this little 190E. So let me pull it out, guys. Okay, sorry guys, this was the hardest car to get out of the cases. I literally had to fight with this one to get it out, okay? So the prize is there, and here it is. Okay, this is the 190E from the brand new Hot Wheels case. This one does have the Hot Wheels logo, as you can see, Phantom. Okay, it's all decked out, black on black. Beautiful 5-spoke rubber wheels, full deco in the front and back. Metal base, metal body, rubber tires. And she is pretty. She is pretty. So there you go, guys. All right. These are the 4 Hot Wheels cases and the premium cars that came with them. If you guys are looking for display cases and you want to get a bonus car, hit up Hot Wheels, guys. You can't go wrong. These cases do hold 48 cars, not 50. Okay. Let me just back it up a bit, guys. I'll show you the case itself one last time. Okay. See, the case has a Hot Wheels logo in the back, Phantom. And you do have plexiglass doors. Okay, so you can display this on a counter, like with the feet, or you can hang it up on the wall. Alright, guys, so there you are. Display case cars. Where's your display case cars, guys? Ah, you don't see it well. Let's give it some credit here, guys. Out of the way. And there you are. There you are. And there you are. Guys, have a great night. Happy hunting. Until next time. Take care. Bye.